As mentioned before, our focus is on public art in the Twin Cities metropolitan area in the state of Minnesota. Here you can see the Twin Cities with Minneapolis to the east and St. Paul to the west. Both downtowns are on the Mississippi River. The red arrow points toward the location where George Floyd was killed by a Minneapolis police officer. The white area depicts the general location of the neighborhoods we've been studying public art in before George Floyd was killed. The killing inspired protests, mostly peaceful, across the Twin Cities and eventually across the world. This slide, however, depicts the locations of property damage caused by protesters in and near our study area. Severe damage, including arson, is associated with darker reds. One focus of our project has always been to analyze the relationship between public art and location, to explore how art shapes and is shaped by unique neighborhoods. As you can see from this slide, property damage associated with protests is highly clustered and closely follows the University Avenue corridor. As a result, we decided to target areas with the most severe damage, and this map depicts the hotspot of conflict. Using a geographic information system, we created buffer zones surrounding the areas of greatest property damage. As a result, we were able to categorize all areas in St. Paul by proximity to conflict. In this slide, yellow points depict the locations of public art. This map layer was created from data in our George Floyd Anti-Racist Street Art webpage. This means each yellow point is linked to publicly contributed images and metadata. In other words, data from this webpage is dynamically linked to a series of maps. This allows for a wide range of analysis in the GIS environment. For example, we're able to select and examine all public art located near sites of conflict to see if it's fundamentally different from art located in more distant buffer zones. We can also do this for George Floyd-inspired public art in our 3 study neighborhoods.